How you doing out here? I hope you are doing good. My name is Rafi Yakub from Exec Graphics and Multimedia. I welcome you to another interesting tutorial in CorelDRAW. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a professional photography business card using CorelDRAW. So in this tutorial, I make use of Corel X8, as you can see on the screen here, but you can make use of any CorelDRAW version to get this design done. All you have to do is to watch the video from the beginning to the end. So let's get the tutorial started. Come back, friends. The first thing you need to do is to make a new page size of 3.75 by 2.25. I go to File and click on New. So the dialog box is going to pop up at this point here. This is where you type the width size. So the width size is 3.75. Then the height should be 2.25. And the color rendering here should be CMYK. The resolution should be 300. Once you are done there, you click on OK. Now, back to the design. Next, you go to your toolbar and select, double click on the rectangle tools to create a page border. Having done that, the next step you have to take is to select your circle or ellipse. Then you make a perfect circle at this point here. Good. So we can zoom out. Now we can make another circle. And take it here. Good. Next, another circle. So at this point now, we need to press P to centralize the new circle. Then we can as well resize it and press P to centralize. Then with Control key down, just drag it out. You can make a duplicate. Good. Then we can make another circle at this point here. Then another circle down below here. Another circle here. Now place this one here. Then another circle at this point here. Place this one here. Then a tiny circle at the top here. Now what we can do next is to apply our smart fill. All you have to do is to come down below here and select your smart fill. Now we need to fill this place. Good. We need to fill this place. We need to fill this place. This place. This place. This place. This place and this place. Now we need to delete this. We need to delete this. Then we need to fill the entire shape. Good. Next thing we can do here, we can apply our appropriate color. Ctrl Z. And select my fontaine here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to make use of copy the color. So I'm going to copy this color to fill here. Good. Now we can apply the rest of the color, red. Then here is white. Here is red. Here is white. And I think this one also is red. This one here is white. And this one here is red. Good. Then I have a stroke here. So at the menu bar here, I'm going to increase my stroke width. Come here and increase it to, let's say, 5. Then we come down below here from the color here. You right click on it to apply the color to the code, to the stroke. Then I'm going to reduce the size to 4. Good. Next thing I'm going to do is to bring in my stock photo for the card. And I'll click on my import icon here. Then I will make use of this camera icon here. And I'll click on import. Sorry. This camera icon here, then I'll click on import icon. So I have my camera icon here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go to my menu bar. Then I'll go to Object, Power Clip, Place inside Spray. Then I'll edit my power clip. Then I'll click on this finish editing, stop editing content here. Good. Then I'll apply stroke color, and stroke width should be around 3. Then my stroke color also is red. Good. So we can see that we are having our business card professionally created in CorelDRAW. So next thing I'm going to do, without wasting much of my time, what I'm going to do next is to copy the text here from the existing design and place it to this new one. I'll just drag and group here. Then I will drag this here. Now I can delete this. Beautiful. So we have our creative professional photography business card created in CorelDRAW. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, remember to click on the like button, and if you have any question, put your question down in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end.